creature is dancing? Electric slide? It could be a skeleton's bright pearly whites as he brushes his teeth before bed every night. Or is it a monster with the luminous glow? We'll have to look closer if we want to know. At last we can see it. Here it is bright. All the monsters and creatures have gathered tonight. Had a glad jack-o'-lantern lights up the whole scene for a frightening and lightning bright Halloween. Happy Halloween. I love you. Kisses and hugs, Grammy.
Yay! He likes it. Micah, what is that? It's your book from Grammy.